Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to get to the website, and I'll take you around the website and show you what's on the website. So you type in www.mrgiannakopoulos.math.weebly.com. Should take you right to the home page. On the home page, if you scroll down, you can see some pictures of what we're going to be learning throughout the year. There's an introduction. You can take a look at it. It's real brief. On this side, anywhere you see YouTube video links, anything below that will be links to the YouTube versions of my videos, just in case the other versions of the videos do not work. Here is a link that you can click on, and it takes you to the Common Core website, and it shows you exactly the standards that your son or daughter will be learning this year in 3rd grade, and that's basically where we base off all our instruction from. Up here is all the different categories you can go to. Let me show you this more. Here's a little bit about me. You can get to know me. Down here I got some pictures of my family that's kind of loading. It's a slideshow. There's my wife and my little boy Grayson. My daughter Ariana, she's in 2nd grade at North Laurel. There's Zoe, she's my 2nd oldest, she's over at Dunbar. Here's another picture of my son Grayson. It's messing up or freezing up on me or something here, but you can check that out, and just tells you a little bit about myself. Also, here is a parent-teacher communication page. Here you will find a link that you can click on where it says download file. That's our camping newsletter. It's the same newsletter that I send out every week, so just in case you happen to lose it and you don't know what the homework is, you can click on that and get all that uploaded. Plus, if you have anything you need to get in contact with me about, you can put in your name, first name, last name, your email, write in a comment. It'll get sent directly to my school email, so I'll get it pretty quickly, just in case there's anything there you need. Here's our science, and right now we just have the 1 unit up because that's the unit we're in. The science page is just to show you what we're doing. It'll have some pictures of some of the stuff we're working on. In this case, it's rocks and minerals, and investigation number 1 is up, and that's how can we determine the different properties and ingredients of a rock. So you can go ahead and play this slideshow, and it shows some of the kids breaking up one of our mock rocks and looking at the different minerals it was made up of, and so on. Down here is a little thumbnail to show you all the different pictures that are on there. But the main part of this is the preview lesson videos, and this is where you can access the homework videos for our units, and it's all going to be labeled by units. So depending on what unit we're in, you'll know exactly which link to click. So for instance, we're going to be starting on shapes and their attributes, so you can click on unit 1, and the first homework assignment of the year is going to be to watch a video, lines and angles. And again, I have links to videos on this side over here on the left, but I also have links to the YouTube video, just in case these links on the left do not work if your computer does not support what they are under. This will take you to YouTube, and you'll be able to watch those, and I'll show you that. In the middle is the guided notes. It's a link for the guided notes you can click on, and it'll pop up. You can just open the file. You can save it, whatever you would like to do. You can open it and print it. These guided notes I will also give to your kids in school, and they will go home with a copy, but they're also on the website just in case you lose it, or your child might leave it in school or whatever. So basically what you do is you click on the link, and it'll bring you to another website where the video will work. And if for some reason on your computer you do not have Java installed, or it's blocked or whatever, then these videos won't work, and you're going to want to use the YouTube versions. And it should load momentarily. Obviously, computers, we always have problems, so we'll try again. Alright, well, we'll go back here. Alright, well, we'll try the YouTube version. I'm not sure what's going on there. Maybe the website's down. But if you get to the video and you want to go back, you just type in the website again, and it'll bring you right back. Go back to preview lessons. And here's the link to the YouTube video. Alright, well, as we start our first unit in math this year, we're going to be looking at third grade geometry. And in particular, we're going to be... Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to pause this. It will bring you to the YouTube link in the video. You can expand it for the whole screen and watch it. Watch the videos right here. Go through the guided notes as you're watching the video. And as you can see down here, this one's only about 10 minutes. So that's how long it should take to go through it. The good thing about this is you can pause it and rewind it if maybe your son or daughter doesn't understand something. And you can go back over some things that they missed. And also, it's here for not just one night, but you can come back, and if they're struggling with a certain topic in math, they can come back, rewatch the videos, and go over some stuff. Okay? So when I'm done the videos, you're done for the night, or you can also go back to the website, and you can also go to the extra practice review page. And I've been uploading all sorts of different activities and work that you guys have access to, so your student or your son and daughter can get some extra practice or do some work at home if you would like to help them more. None of this stuff is going to be required. I may assign some pages to some students who might be having trouble so they can have some extra practice. But you as parents might just want the extra practice to give to your son or daughter at night. So again, it's by unit. I've sorted it all by unit. So far I've got up to unit 4 here, with more coming as we go on through the year. There's about 16 units that will be on here or so. And basically you just click on it, you go to shapes and their attributes. It looks very similar to the preview part, but there's all different links to worksheets, and there's games like Space Shooter and a Shapes quiz, and basically you just click on it and it'll upload or take you to the page, and you can have, like, this one is identify the type of shape shown, and that's what we'll be going over, and so your student can have extra practice naming these polygons by the number of sides they have, and so on. Some of them will take you to another website, like Space Shooter here, the Space Shape Shooter. It'll take you to a game. And it's loaded, so choose a starting level, level 1, and you're the spaceship, and you want to collect all asteroids that, I missed that, I think, that are circles. So we want to shoot circles. Here's a circle. And your kids will probably be much better at this game than I am. But it gives them something to do, not just work. I really like the shapes quiz that's on here. You can start it, type in your name, and start, and then you can actually test which of the polygon names matches the figure to the right. And of course they'll be learning a lot of this stuff, and it'll make a lot more sense to them as the unit goes on. One other thing I need to point out in the videos is that sometimes you might get a link that takes your kid to Study Island. Like this link here will actually take them to Study Island, and it will be a Study Island video, and they'll actually have to log in, and their username will and password they'll learn in school, and this will also be on the home page and reminding students, if you go to a Study Island video, that they just need to log in with their username and password, which they use in enrichment class and so on. So we'll have this all set up before they get to this video, and I'll have a link on the page where that you guys can see exactly what they need to type in for their username and password. But I'll type in mine now so you can see what it looks like. And so you'll type in their student name and password just like I'm typing it in. You'll log in, and it should take you right to the little lesson that goes with Study Island. You can actually go through the lessons that go with the video, but if you see right here, usually if it's not on the first page, it might be in the second or third page, but you can just click play movie, and the movie that I want them to watch to go with this lesson, it will pop right up. And they love these Study Island movies, and you just hit play and they'll go right through it.
Hello? I could use some help here. Did you hear that?
Yes! Someone is in my...
And that's pretty much the website. I'm looking forward to using a lot of technology in class to get kids motivated and excited. I'm hoping that they'll see this as their website to go to and check out, to see pictures with science and all sorts of different stuff. On the home page, I'm sure I'll be posting some more stuff up on here that has more to do with what they're going to be doing in class and so on. And it'd be a great opportunity for them to kind of check out and get excited about. Any questions, again, go over to the parent-teacher communication page, send me an email, or whatever you might need to do. Give me a call, phone call at the school, and I'll be glad to help you and work with you guys. All right. Thank you guys for listening, and I'm looking forward to